UI or web-based instruction has its positive impacts or feedbacks. It enhances learnings, reduces repetitive teaching tools, improve instructional materials. So web tools, web there are two webs which is web 1.0 which is read only and web 2.0 which is read write web. According to Tim Berners, it only allows users to search for info and read, which is the Web 1.0. Web 2.0 is defined by Dale Donghee, which is you can you can read and write, which the students can read and write. Web 2 teaching tools. A is 3D projects, which is Alice, Blender, Photosynth, SketchUp. Alice is an innovative 3D programming environment. Blender, an open source 3D content creation suite. Photosynth, Microsoft web application that takes your photos, mashes them together, and recreate a 3D scene out of them that anyone can view and move around in. SketchUp, a desktop application from Google that allows teachers or students to create and share stunning 3D models. B. Animation and comic strip. Blubberize. Blubberize used to animate pictures to make people, animals, or objects talk. Comics Master. It allows to easily create comics online. Go Anime, used to create own animated character, animated comic strips, and cartoons. Volky allows to create personalized speaking avatar. Third is audio editing tools. Media City to read or install sounds to your computer and edit them afterwards. Audio Expert, an online audio editor, file converter, and sound recorder. UJump, cloud-based platform that empowers everybody to easily create music now and share it with friends. Last, bookmarking and online collaboration. Delicious. It allows to access bookmarks from any computer, and Google Docs used to share and work documents at the same time, making collaboration simple.
This is Miss Darwin Palomares, your next reporter. My report is continuation to the report of Miss Joanne Kaluyong, which is the web tools. Bookmarking and online collaboration. Pinterest. It is an online pinboard used to organize and share things. Pinterest is a highly visual virtual pinboard site that lets you pin or collect image from the web. You create boards to help you categorize your image and add descriptions to remind you why you bookmarked them in the first place. Second is Stixi. It is used to create your own online bulletin boards by taking notes, appointments, files, photos on the screen for yourself or for others to see. Stixi helps users to organize their word on flexible, shareable web-based bulletin boards called Stixi boards. Next is blogging. First is Audiobook. It is an audio blogging site where you can send updates through the web, phone, or its own iPhone app. Audiobook is a free tool for creating audio message to share on the web. Next is Tumblr. It is a simplified blogging platform that allows you to share anything online, post text, photos, quotes, links, music, and videos from your browser, desktop, email, or phone. Tumblr, the service allows users to post multimedia and other content to a short form blog. Users can follow other users' blogs. Bloggers can also make their blogs private. Next is the wiki space. It is used to create, edit, or contribute to pages, making it a great collaborative tool. Wikispaces is a website which allows its users to add, modify, or delete its content via a web browser. On a wiki, students can share work and ideas, pictures and links, videos, and media. Next is the WordPress. It is considered as blogging platform and content management system. WordPress has a variety of templates and hundreds of features that you can use. WordPress is an open source content management system. It's a popular tool for individuals without any coding experience who want to build websites and blogs. The software doesn't cost anything. Anyone can install, use, and modify for free. Next is classroom innovation. First is the Khan Academy. This is used for students to watch video lesson and test their knowledge and progress. Khan Academy, its goal is creating a set of online tools that helps educate students. The organization produces short lessons in the form of videos. Its website also includes supplementary practice, exercises, and materials for educators. Next is the ENX. This is an open courseware site that is a great tool for students to test their interest in a college major. Next is the Desktop publishing tools. First is the OpenOffice. This is the leading open source office software suited for word processing, spreadsheet presentations, graphics, and database. OpenOffice is a free and open source office productivity software offered by the APAC Software Foundation or ESF for word processing, spreadsheet presentation, databases, graphics, and more. Next is the PDF Creator. It is an open source desktop application that creates PDF from any Windows program. PDF Creator is an application for converting documents into portable documentation format or PDF for Mission Microsoft Windows operating system. Next is the games, quizzes, and educational activities. First is the EBCYA. It is an online educational games aimed at primary school levels. EBCYA is a website that provides educational games activities for school-age children. The games on the website are organized into grade levels from kindergarten to 6th grade as well as into subject categories such as letters, numbers, and holidays. Next is the Knowledge. It is used to create, publish, share, and take test exercises and assignment. Knowledge is a free-to-use education platform where everyone can create, publish, share, and take test exercises and assignments, create tests, and help other users learn. Knowledge index all your tests on your own vanity page. All results, scores, and answers are stored for easy referencing. Next is the Hot Potatoes. It allows you to create interactive multiple choice, short answer, jumbled sentence, crossword matching, ordering, and gap fill exercises for the World Wide Web. Hot Potatoes, it is a program that allows you to make 6 different types of self-test exercises. This exercise can also quite easily be imported into an LMS like Moodle to be used for assessment of learning content. Next, the last is Serendipity. It is a web-based creative suite where anyone can build and deploy engaging and interactive games and other applications. Serendipity is a site that lets you create your own games and then upload them to site, embedded them into other websites, or just use games that other people have developed. Next is the instructional videos and video sharing. First is the Embed Plus. This website allows you to add extra controls to YouTube embedded videos such as slow motion, zooming, chapters, and annotation. Next is the MelView. It provides the ability to record a video email at any time and send it to recipients where they can open it at any time. Mailview enables business to easily add video recording and distribution to their sales and marketing efforts, providing control of the content and analytics on viewing behavior. Next is the TeacherTube. It is like YouTube but is used for educational purposes. This site is moderated so content is suitable for students. TeacherTube is a video sharing website. It's designed to allow those in the educational industry, particularly teachers, to share educational resources such as video, audio documents, photos, groups, and blog. The site contains a mixture of classroom teaching resources and others designed for teacher training. Next is TubeChat. It allows you to cut YouTube videos and share only sections that interest you. TubeChat is a free tool that makes it easy to trim and chop a specific section from any YouTube video using a simple to use web editor. The final clip can be shared via link or video player embed. Next is the mind mapping. First is the Glyphy. Online diagram software. It is used to create professional looking flowcharts, diagram, floor plans, and technical drawing. Glyphy is a software for the diagramming via an HTML5 cloud-based app. It is used to create QML diagrams, floor plans, Venn diagrams, flowcharts, and various other kinds of diagrams online. Glyphy diagrams can be shared with and edited by users in real time. Next is the Slitbox. It is a tool for collaboratively creating and mind maps and organizational charts. Slitbox is an online collaboration and drawing tool which delivers a simple mechanism for drawing, collaborating, and sharing content. Next is the Spicy Nodes. It allows you to create mind maps or organization chart with bits of information, such as text, links, photos, and other media placed into nodes, which are then linked together. You can then embed them into websites, blogs, and wikis later on. Spicy Node was a system for displaying hierarchical data in which a focus node displays detailed information and our surrounding nodes represent related information with a layout based on radial maps. It has web and mobile implementations. Next is the Spider Scribe. It is an online map creation service where you can add Word documents, images, maps, and more. Spider Scribe is an online mind mapping tool site. Users can utilize SpiderCrab to organize thoughts and ideas into maps, adding text, images, files, geographical maps, and calendar events to create unique displays of information. Next is the online storage and sharing. First is the Dropbox. It is used to store, sync, and share files online. Dropbox is designed to be an invisible app. It gives you a folder in your computer that automatically backs up and syncs your files across all your devices and also keeps them in the cloud so you can access them from any computer anywhere in the world. Next is the Flickr. It is used for photo management and sharing application. A Flickr is a popular photo sharing and hosting service with advanced and powerful features. It supports an active and engaged community where people share and explore each other's photos. You can share and host hundreds of your own pictures on Flickr without paying a dime. Next is the ISO. ISO is a tool where students can upload almost document format and creates virtual playing book. ISO is a platform which allows you to upload and publish your magazines or publications online. They have paid plans as well as a free version. The free version on HTTPS ISO.com allows you to create an ISO account and use ISO's reader and embed your online magazine on your site. Next is the Scribd. It is a document sharing service that allows you to upload, store, and share almost any document format for any viewing online. Scribe is the primary digital reading subscription. Members can read and listen to the best audiobooks, ebooks, and magazines and more, available anytime and on any compatible device. We make it easy for readers to stay informed, discover new fashions, and become their best selves. Next is the photo editing tools. First is the Aviary. There are online creation tools which allow you to create, edit, and manipulate images. Aviary is an app that combines vintage and other styles, filter with a range of conventional image editing tools from color correction and cropping to blemish removal and drawing. It's available for Android and Apple iOS devices, and it's optimized for both phone and tablet screens. Next is the GIMP. GIMP, it is a good alternative to Photoshop. GIMP is a free and open source raster graphic editor used for image manipulation and image editing, free-form drawing, transcoding between different image file formats, and more specialized tasks. Next is the PhotoVC. PhotoVC, it is an online tool to create photo collages using templates. PhotoVC is a free and easy to use photo collage maker. Next is the Picturize Live. It is an online image editor which also allows you to edit photos, create collages, and animated GIF. Next is the presentation tools and slideshows. First is the 280 slides. It is used to create PowerPoint style presentation online. 280 slide is a notable online replacement for desktop presentation apps. It's fast, functional, and very visual. Next is the Glugster. Create unique, media-rich interactive posters which can be shared online or embedded into wikis. Glugsters is a website devoted to a self-expression and presentation knowledge. It allows users to create glugs, which are online posters that contain text, images, and multimedia elements. Users can upload their own image, unused images, and elements provided on the site. Next is MyPlic. It allows you to upload, embed, and share presentations online with the option of adding audio narration. MyPlic is a website service that allows uploading and sharing presentation and slideshow. Next is the SlideShare. It is used to upload and share PowerPoint presentation. SlideShare is a website which allows you to post content, PDF, PowerPoint slides, videos, and others as a presentation. Then last is the Smilebox. It is used to create e-cards, scrapbooks, slideshows, invitation, collages, and photo albums from your photographs. Smilebox is a tool for creating slideshow invites, cards, flyers, and collages. It will let you add the music to the slideshow. It has templates suitable for all stories. The tool will let you add the photos, songs, and personalized captions of your choice to the slideshow. So that's all my report.
Social networking, one of the example here is Facebook. It is used to connect friends, family, and other people you know. You can share photos and send messages and get updates. To educate. To educate is a microblogging service for schools. You can post resources for students, share readings, reflect, and encourage discussion. Twitter is a real-time microblogging service that connects millions of people. It's a great way for educators to share information, ideas, and experiences. Udemy, it lets you to create online courses, upload presentations, videos, host live classroom sessions, and write blogs posts. Voxupub It is a bit like a message board, but using voice rather than text. You can set up a private talk group and help students develop their speaking skills. It is great for language activities. Tag or word clouds. Example here is Tag Shadow. It allows for greater customization of the final cloud, including its shape and file format output. Wordle. It allows users to create customizable word clouds from any text with the most prominent words highlighted via size. Timelines. Example here is Time Glider. It allows you to create timelines which you can zoom in and out from and span from hours to per century. Time Toast. It creates interactive menus in minutes and share them on the web. Video editing tools. Cam Studio. It's a desktop application that allows you to record your computer screen. Masher. It is an online video editor that allows users to create by mixing together video clips, music tracks, and photos from their own uploads or from their large resource library. WeVideo. It is a simple web-based video editing tool that turns video projects from a huge time sink to an easy and experience. Web3 or the semantic web. In 2006, the third generation of the web or Web3 was suggested by Jan Markov of the New York Times. Web 4 or mobile web. Web 4 connects all devices in the real and virtual world in the real time. Web 5 open, link, and intelligent web. Emotional web. Web 5 is about the emotional or interaction between humans and computers. Web resources. The World Wide Web offers excellent resources that can be used for teaching, learning, researching, and a lot more. Every teacher should be familiar with the vast resources available on the web so they can enrich effectively the learning experience of the students. Categories of web resources. Number 1, online tutorials. Online tutorials are designed for independent learning with well-integrated learning sources, explanatory segments, and evaluation activities. Number 2, instructional resources. Instructional resources provide the components of a learning activity, but leave the teacher responsible for implementation and evaluation. Primary sources. These are raw information sources, not necessarily developed to meet educational needs. Keeping track of web resources. When searching for different web resources to use in teaching and learning, we need to create a list of resources for future references. Using bookmarks. A bookmark is a way of saving and keeping track of valuable resources. A bookmark list is the list created by the users to go back directly to the web page he or she wants to keep track. Adding a bookmark. Adding a bookmark is done by clicking on the bookmark this page option or by going to bookmark menu and choosing bookmark this page.
Hi, my name is Rafaela G. Mabayaw, and the assigned topic to me is the selection of web tools and resources. Evaluating websites, the authority, accuracy, objectivity, currency, and coverage. The first one is authority. So in authority, we should know about the author. So rationale, anyone can publish anything on the web. So it is often hard to determine a web page's authorship. So we need to look for a header or footer showing affiliation or look at the URL just like for the example here, the HTTP. And we should look at the domain. So this is the example, the .com, .net, .edu. So even if a page is signed, qualification are not usually provided and sponsorship is not always indicated. So we need to know about the author. If there is an author, is the page signed? Is the author qualified and expert? Who is the sponsor? And is the sponsor of the page reputable, and how reputable it is? And is there a link to information about the author or the sponsor? And this is the example for the header or footer that shows affiliation. Next one is the accuracy. So in accuracy, we need to check for errors. So rational, web resources rarely have editors or fact checkers, and currently no web standards exist to ensure accuracy. So if we check for errors, is the information reliable and error-free? And is there an editor or someone who verifies or checks the information? The third one is objectivity. So objectivity and rational. Goals of the sponsors or authors may not be there clearly stated, and often the web serves as a virtual soapbox or sales pitch. So upon checking for bias, we need to know if the information show a minimum of bias, if the page designed to sway opinion, and if there any advertising on the page. So the next one is the currency. So rational, publication or revision dates are not always provided, and if a date is provided, it may indicate when the material was first written, first placed on the web, or last revised. So upon checking the date, we should know if the page dated. If so, when was the last update, and how current are the links, or have some expired or moved. The next one is coverage. So rational, sometimes web information is just for fun, a hoax, someone's personal expression, or even outright silliness. So upon checking if content is meaningful, we need to know what topics are covered, what does this page offer that isn't found elsewhere, what is its intrinsic value, and how in-depth is the material. So that's all. Thank you.
Audio with tools that are helpful for teacher and students. Digital storytelling. A digital storytelling is a multimedia presentation combining a variety of digital elements within a narrative structure. Media may include text, image, video, audio, social media elements, and interactive elements. Ebook. An ebook, short for electronic book, also known as an e-book or ebook, is a book publication made available in internet form consisting of text, image, or both, readable on the flat panel display or computer or other electronic devices. RSS. What is RSS? RSS stands for Really Simply Syndication. It is format that automatically brings new content from your favorite website to your desktop. Web page with frequently updated information will generate a separate data feed with new items, titles, and short descriptions, usually blogs or news headlines. Social bookmarking. Social bookmarking is the process of tagging a website page with a browser-based tool so that you can easily visit it again later. Instead of saving social media posts to your browser bookmarks, you can use different platforms features to bookmark posts. Because the bookmarks are online, you'll be able to access them anywhere from any device with an internet connection. Podcast. Podcast is a program made available in digital format for download over the internet. Example, an episodic series or digital audio or videos files that a user can download to a personal device to listen at at a time of their choosing. Vodcast. Vodcast is a podcast that contain video content. The term vodcast comes from a combination of the word video and podcast. Video podcast may also be referred to as vidcast. In order to watch a vodcast, you may podcaster capable of playing video such as iTunes. Example, TED Talk. Easily the most famous podcast is TED Talk. Although they are presented by different speakers, it's series with a theme, and viewers can subscribe to receive updates. And that's all. Thank you.